Alright guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna wrap the rear bumper. I'm gonna show you how to wrap a rear bumper. Coming up next. Okay guys, we're ready to do the rear bumper. In this one I'm gonna leave this piece black. This one, so I'm gonna put knifeless tape on this body line in here. I'm gonna leave this black, and the blue is gonna be this part. Also, I'm gonna put an inlay in this area like I did before, and I have to remove that. I'm gonna remove the screw from this one to open this one and tuck the material under here and under the headlight. It should be pretty simple for this one. Shouldn't be that hard. So let's start with installation for the rear bumper. Already placed the knifeless tape here, all the way here, because I'm gonna leave this piece in black and blue in this part. Okay, I already placed some inlays in here. You can see them there. Okay, one inlay here and one inlay in the other side too, right there. Okay, and some tape to prevent the vinyl from sticking in here, to lift it easier, and in here. But I'm gonna tuck material under the bumper. Alright, so we're ready to start. Okay, let's start with the rear bumper. Let's place the wrap in the bumper. I'm cutting this piece because I'm not gonna wrap that area, so I always like to start from the middle, like I'm doing here, and from there I'm going to do the side of the driver's side. I'm doing a relief cut here using the heat gun to make the material soft, and in this area you have to use the heat gun and stretch the material to conform the wrap to this side of the bumper. I'm pushing the material a little bit there because it has like the deep area for the vent, and from there use the heat gun, stretch, pull the material, make sure that it's stretched and flat without wrinkles, like I'm doing here. And I'm cutting here the reflective piece that it has there on the bumper, and using the heat gun to cut that in here. So always take your time and make sure that you cut it perfectly, because if you cut it too much, it's gonna look bad and crooked. And in here, this area of the bumper, it has this plastic. Push it all the way down until the material doesn't go down anymore, and with that you can cut the vinyl like I'm doing here. Push it with the squeegee, push the wrap, and then you can cut it. And over there I have the inlay, so I'm just cutting the excess vinyl from the top and the sides using the heat gun to conform the material like that. I'm just cutting the excess vinyl right at the edge of the end of the wrap, of the rear bumper. Same thing here, heat gun, squeegee, and push the material all the way to the edge. Same thing on this side, use the heat gun, push the material. This one is the hardest part, so be careful over there. Just use the heat gun and stretch the wrap. And in here has the vent, so I had to use the heat gun there. And then heat gun, squeegee, and pull the wrap. That's the three things you have to do in this rear bumper, like I'm doing here. Make sure the material is flat, remove any wrinkles, and with that just cut the excess vinyl, push the material there with the heat gun, make the material smooth, and with that we have almost finished the rear bumper. And just the last thing is cut the excess vinyl for the rear bumper, and that's it. I'm putting an inlay in there because the material is a little bit short, and like that is gonna cover everything. And that's it. The last thing is just to cut the excess vinyl from the edges of the bumper, like I'm doing here. Yes, like that. Okay, the rear bumper is done. Let me show you the details, the edges, the light, This time I cut it. I don't know. Probably I liked it the way I had it before, but I'm gonna leave it like that. I already did it. So, and the line here with the knifeless tape. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright. Okay, let me put everything back together and let's see it outside, how it looks. Okay guys, the rear bumper is done. I just need to put the logo Toyota and the Supra logo, but I'm gonna do that at the end after everything is done. So I did already the bumper and I did this bottom piece, but it looks amazing. Look at that, beautiful. I still need to clean my fingerprint because it's dirty, but I will do that later when it's done. But look at that. Looks amazing. This color is great, I love it. Look at that. Okay, so now the next thing is to do the front bumper, and that's it for the wrap. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay guys, the rear bumper is on, so in the next video we're gonna do the front bumper, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have a question, put it in the comments too. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, so this is the giveaway. We're gonna give away this camera, but this time we're gonna do it a little bit different because I'm a little behind on the video. So from this video till all the videos on Wednesday. So on Wednesday we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway, okay? And the rules are very simple. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like any of these videos. We're gonna do daily videos till Wednesday. Okay, you have to be a subscriber and like the video and put a comment on any of these videos. Okay, it's only for the USA subscribers, and that's it. It's very simple. Okay, so good luck guys. This is the camera we're gonna give away. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and on Wednesday we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.